Hey guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw a mummy. So we're going to draw a big circle for the head, and then for the body we're just going to make a long tube. So it's going to look like two popsicle sticks going down, and then just connect them in the middle. And then for the arms we're just going to make like teardrops going to each side. And then for the face we're just going to add eyes. So we're going to add two big circles, and then inside of each circle we're going to draw another circle. And then for the bandages we're going to add a bunch of lines from left to right on the face, and then make a little space for the mouth. And then on the arm we're going to add around 3 lines. For the body, don't add too many lines, just kind of zigzag it a little bit. And then on the legs we're going to add around 5 lines on each leg. And once you have created all of your lines, we are going to go over with marker, and each line, to connect it, we're going to make a little bump instead of just all straight, so we can add a little bit more of detail to make it look bumpy. And then we're just going to go over the lines from left to right that we created, and then the eyes we're going to color them, and the bandage that are on top and on the bottom of the eyes, we're going to make them go over the eyes. Alright, and then just go ahead and finish with all of the lines and try to not go over them. Alright, and that is your mummy. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I upload different pictures and videos that I do not upload on YouTube.